Welcome students. Now we are going to discuss question number 2 of worksheet 1 of chapter Square and Square Roots. Our question is, which of the following numbers are perfect square that are for even numbers? How can we check out of these which are square of even number? Let's see. We write down separately first, all of them separate like this. 784, 841, 576, 656, 1. As we have discussed in the basics of squares, we see square of even number is an even number and square of odd number is an odd number. So we check by only unit digit of it. If you see here, this number is an odd number. So it is a square of odd number. Like this we can do directly. If we see here, this number is odd number. So it is a square of an odd number. Next, if you see 4 is an even number, means even number. So it is a square of an even number. Next, if you see here, 1 is odd number. It means, so it is a square of an odd number. Next, if you see 6 means even number. So it is a square of an even number. Next, if you see here 6, 5, 6, 1 is an odd number. So it is a square of an odd number. So like this we can identify, because we know that square of odd number is an odd number and square of an even number is an even number. So we check first of all, it is an odd number or even number. So we reach to the final answer. It is a square of odd number or an even number. Our next question is question number 3. It is given by which of the following numbers are perfect squares. If you see our question, all the numbers ends with 0. Our rule for 0 is the last digit 0, it always comes in pair. So we see here, first number is 100. It is in pair. Next number is 205, 1230. It is in pair, but it is not in pair. Next, 361, 12340 means 2 pair. Next, 2123, 12345, 2 pair, but it is not without pair. So it is not in pair. It means it is the single one. So what we see here, it is a perfect square. And it is a perfect square because zeros comes in pair. Here 0 is not in pair. It is not a perfect square. Next, if you see here, next 2 pairs of zeros are there. It is a perfect square. Next, if you see here, 1 pair of 0, 2 pair of 0, next 0 does not comes in pair. It is the single one. It means according to rule is every 0 come in pair. It is not in pair. So it is not a perfect square. So like this we can find out the perfect square which ends with the last digit as 0. In the last 0 should be in pair. Our next question is question number 4. By just observing means watching, otherwise testing, unit place digit, we have to tell which of the following numbers can be the perfect square. If you remember, we have done when we take square of 1, we get 1 at the last. Square of 2, we get 4 at the last. Square of 3, we get 9 at the last. Square of 4, we get 6 at the last. Square of 5, we get 5 at the last. Square of 6, we get 6 at the last. Square of 7, we get 49, 9 at the last. Square of 8, 64, we get 4 at the last. Square of 9, 81, we get 1 at the last. Square of 10 means 100, means zeros comes in pair at the last. So like this, we have to identify the unit place digit only. So if you see here, what is the unit digit? Unit digit is here 6. Here unit digit is 2. First of all, we write down the unit digit. Here unit digit is 4. Here unit digit is 7. What we have to see, by testing the unit place digit, we have to tell it is a perfect square or not. As you know, in a perfect square, unit digit may be 1, 4, 9, 6 and 5. If you see here 6, 6 comes in the perfect square. So yes, for it is a perfect square. For this our answer is yes. 2, if you see here, 2 does not come anywhere. So for this answer is no. It is not a perfect square. If you see here, unit digit is 4. 4 comes here as well as here. So yes, it is a perfect square. Next, if you see here, it is given as 7. If you see, none of the square contains 7 at the last. It means no, it is not a perfect square. Not a perfect square. So like this, we can identify the given numbers are perfect square or not by testing their unit place digit only. Now we are going to continue our question number 5. Question number 5 is, how many non-square numbers lies between the following pair of numbers? We have done the rule when we are having two perfect square numbers like this, the numbers lies between R double of smallest base. So here smallest base is 7, so double of 7 means it become 40 in the first pair. Here smallest number is 10, so double of 10, it become here 20. Here smallest number is 40, so double of 40 become here 80. Smallest number is 80, so it will become double of 80 as 160 means 160. Smallest number is 101, double of 101 become 202 here. Next is smallest number is 205, so double of 205 become here 410. So like this, by using the rule, we can find out the answer in the easiest way. So like this, we have to do the question number 5.